My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 27. In this lecture, we will try to understand competitive intelligence gathering. Competitive intelligence gathering is the process of identifying, gathering, analyzing, verifying, and using information about your competitors from resources such as internet. Competitive intelligence is non-interfering and subtle in nature. Sources of competitive intelligence. First one is company websites and employment ads. Second one is search engines, internet and online DB. Third one is press releases and annual reports, trade journals, conferences and newspapers, patent and trademarks, social engineering of employees. In simple manner, I can say social engineering employees, product catalogs and retail outlets, analysts and regulatory reports, customer and vendor interviews, agents, distributors and suppliers. Competitive intelligence is useful to understand when did an organization begin, how did it develop, who leads it, where is it located. There are websites, visit these sites: Edgar.base, Hoover's, LexisNexis, Business Wire. These are the websites. This is Edgar database. This one is DB Hoover's for free. This is also useful to understand competitive intelligence. There is another famous website, that is LexisNexis. Even you can find few things from Business Wire. These are useful when organization is started and who is leading. In this also we have something like direct competitive intelligence and indirect competitive intelligence. Competitive intelligence, when did this company begin, you can understand how it developed. And for example, there are different websites for competitive intelligence. What are the company's plans, you can understand the company's plans. Something like these are the websites. So Market Watch is a website, you can understand company's plans. Even you can understand there is a website, Euromonitor website. This is also useful to understand company company, how what are the plans of that particular organizations. Another one is I can say Experian. This is one of the website. This is also useful. The purpose of this particular all these websites, as I told you, all these are useful. Competitive intelligence and what are the plans of that particular company, isn't it? There is something like secinfo.com, but here this you can see the message down due to ransomware attack. This is also one of the famous website, unfortunately, which has got some problem. Even there is something like Search Monitor, where you can find things from the Search Monitor also. Even monitoring website traffic of target. If there is a target, you can monitor website traffic. Attackers use website traffic monitoring tools such as Alexa, but unfortunately, if you go to this Alexa website, it's showing that end of service notice. Just see end of service notice. We retired Alexa.com on May 1st 2022, after more than 2 decades. There is something like end of service notice, which you can see if you browse, you can understand. But basically, Alexa was used to monitoring website traffic. As we were discussing, attackers use website traffic monitoring tools such as Alexa, WebStat. This is WebStat. Know your visitors. This says know your visitors and grow your site. Not only Alexa, WebStat. There is something like Monitors to collect information about. This is also useful to collect information about target company. Information means which information we can find. We can find something like total visitors. This is important. You can find total visitors, isn't it? Next, page views. You can understand page views. Next, bounce rate. Next, something like visitors map, live visitors map, isn't it? All these things you can understand. Site ranking, audience geography, I can say yes, audience geography, isn't it? Traffic monitoring helps to collect information about target's customer base, which helps the attacker to attacker to understand customer and launch social engineering attack on the target. Competitive intelligence, what expert opinion says about the company. I can say there are websites like ProQuest. This is a website which explains experts' opinion about the company. Even there is a website, SimilarWeb. It is useful to understand the website opinions on the company. This is one of the famous website, Copernic, which is also useful. What experts' opinion says about that particular target company. In similar manner, there is something like SEMrush. This is also a website. Just you can go through, you can explore all these things, so that you can understand. There is something like tracking online reputation of the target. Online reputation management is a process of monitoring company's reputation on internet and taking certain measures to minimize negative search result reviews and thereby improves its brand reputation. An attacker makes use ORM. ORM means what? Online reputation management tracking tools to track companies' online reputation, collect companies' search engine ranking information, obtain email notifications. I can say obtain email notifications when a company is mentioned online, track conversions, obtain social news about the target organization. Just go through, just explore all these websites. There is something like Brand24, which online reputation management. All these are websites are useful for attackers in the context of intelligence gathering. Just go through these, just explore all these websites. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.